Today I am reviewing the Logitech M185 Wireless Mouse. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are taking a close look at a small but mighty tech accessory that has quietly become a staple on millions of desks worldwide. We are talking about the Logitech M185 Wireless Mouse, shown here in its sleek, swift gray finish. If you are currently relying entirely on your laptop's built-in touchpad, or if you are simply looking for a highly reliable, no-nonsense wireless mouse that will not break the bank, you will want to stay tuned. Let us break down exactly why this compact mouse remains a top recommendation for students, professionals, and travelers alike. First, let us talk about the ergonomics and overall design. The M185 features a beautifully contoured, compact shape that naturally follows the curve of your hand. Because it is completely ambidextrous, it offers an identical, comfortable grip whether you are right-handed or left-handed. If you have small to medium-sized hands, or if you work in tight workspaces, busy offices, or on crowded coffee shop tables, this footprint is practically perfect. It slides easily into a backpack or laptop sleeve right alongside your computer, making it the ultimate travel companion. Now, if you have been sticking to a laptop trackpad because you think a mouse is just an extra hassle, consider this. Recent workflow studies have shown that laptop users who switched from a standard touchpad to the Logitech M185 were actually 50% more productive and worked a staggering 30% faster. When you look at it that way, this affordable little device is a massive upgrade to your daily efficiency. Navigation feels incredibly intuitive, thanks to the 1000 dpi smooth optical tracking. Missed clicks and erratic cursor jumps are things of the past. The sensor allows you to track smoothly on almost any desktop surface. Pair that accuracy with its precise, line-by-line scroll wheel, and navigating through massive Excel spreadsheets, long articles, or complex PDF documents becomes completely effortless. Setting up the M185 is the absolute definition of plug-and-play simplicity. There are no complicated software downloads, no pairing menus, and no setup hassles whatsoever. You just open up the mouse, pull out the tiny USB nano receiver stored securely next to the battery chamber, and plug it into your computer's USB port. Within seconds, you have a rock-solid, advanced 2.4 GHz wireless connection with a range of up to 33 feet, or 10 meters. This tiny receiver is so small and unobtrusive that you can comfortably leave it plugged into your laptop permanently without worrying about it snapping off or getting lost. Compatibility is completely universal. Whether you are running a Windows PC, a Mac, Chrome OS, or a Linux setup, this mouse works instantly the moment it is plugged in. This gives you total peace of mind knowing that no matter what machine you use today or what computer you buy in the future, the M185 will be ready to work right alongside it. One of the biggest pain points with wireless accessories is constant battery maintenance, but Logitech has completely solved that here. The M185 delivers up to a full 12 months of battery life on a single, standard AA battery, which, by the way, Logitech generously includes right out of the box. It manages this incredible efficiency through an integrated on and off power switch alongside a smart, automatic sleep mode that kicks in whenever the mouse sits idle for a few minutes. It is also worth noting that Logitech is building this hardware with the environment in mind. The plastic parts inside the charcoal gray model consist of 49% certified post-consumer recycled plastic, giving the product a certified low-carbon footprint of just 3.97 kilograms of CO2 equivalent. When you combine Logitech's legendary hardware durability with their industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty, the M185 is an absolute home run for value and reliability. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to check out the links below, and happy computing.